This is what you're doing when you call another agent in our market that does not specialize in investing and working with investors to purchase Myrtle Beach Oceanfront condos. You are buying at a place that is getting torn down. You're buying at a place that's not run well. You're buying at a place that that you don't have the most up-to-date data on. You're most likely relying on a property manager's projections to tell you whether or not this is going to be a good investment. Please do not call another agent that does not specialize in working with investors for oceanfront condos. I'm going to give you real data right out of the MLS. I'm going to do the hard work and search for the data, gather it for you from other sellers and other investors just like you that are interested in investing and owning and operating oceanfront condos. So I'm going to pull that gross rental income right out of the MLS. I'm going to pull what other units did on site at that place. I'm going to send that information over to you along with a fee sheet. I'm going to build a spreadsheet just for you that's going to show you all of the operating expenses, all of the, what the average gross rental income is on site at that resort. It's going to show you what your profit and loss is. It's also going to show you how well that investment appreciated over the past decade or so. It'll also show you what you can write off on your taxes in depreciation. Guys, when you hire another agent, that's what you're doing. You're buying at a place that's not a solid investment, a place that's going to tumble down to the ground. And I don't want you to do that. Now, yes, are there other agents out there in the market that are great? Of course there are. If they're not specialized in oceanfront condos and in working with investors, then I would question whether or not I would want to trust and give that level of influence to someone that is coaching me through, guiding me through, advising me, providing local knowledge, boots on the ground, and expertise about investing, $300,000 in an oceanfront condo investment. I'm given over to just this one specialization in our market. I'm keeping investors from making investments that are tumbling to the ground. If you don't want that to happen to you, then give me a call. It's 843-360-1737. I'm not out selling houses. I'm not doing open houses. I'm not out in subdivisions working on single-family home deals. I work on one type of deal, and that is with an investor that wants to purchase a short-term vacation rental like a Myrtle Beach oceanfront condo in our market. I'm going to have a certain level of expertise, knowledge, and know-how, and I'm in contact with other investors all the time. So I'm getting the latest and most updated information, and in that circle, I've got that lingo, and I can run ideas and concepts. If I can't figure it out, then I can run it by other investors in the Shorewise Wealth social circle. So you're not working with an agent that, is all over the place, is doing houses and townhouses and condos and commercial properties and this and that and the other. Yes, I dabble in commercial properties. But anyways, the point is that specialized, you're getting a specialized agent that is basically working with investors that are just like you. I work with everyday people using their 401k to make a purchase, people that have saved $50,000 and they know that they need to do something with it to make some more money, to build generational wealth, people that want to build generational wealth for their children and their children's children, people in their 50s that have been in corporate America and now they're ready to build wealth for themselves, executives that are transitioning into real estate investing so that they can stop working like crazy 60 hours a week. Dentists, doctors, lawyers, accountants, you name it, we do it. It does not matter. It doesn't matter your background. It does not matter where you're from, what's going on. If you're a doctor, a dentist, an accountant, an attorney, if you're a factory worker that saved up money and you got money in your 401k, perhaps you're self-employed and you've got an IRA and you want to make a purchase with that, or you're doing a 1031 like-kind exchange. It does not matter what you're doing, guys. It doesn't matter who you are. It is everyday investors just like you. I help make purchases in Myrtle Beach Oceanfront condos. So if you don't want that right there, if you don't want to make an investment that is tumbling down to the ground, if you don't want an investment that is like at an oceanfront or resort that's not being ran well, if you don't want to, make a poor investment decision, then please give me a call. 843-360-1737. I don't want your investment tumbling down to the ground, so you got to get a hold of me.